Yo, I have no idea. This thing didn't even come with like an instructions manual or nothing. I guess they're saying it's common sense, right? But that's something I really don't have. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be unboxing my new 18-inch ring light. Y'all can see it? Yeah, that. So yeah, I bought a new ring light. I always wanted an 18-inch ring light because it's so big and it gives off amazing light, period. So yeah, that is why I bought one. The one I have now is I think between a 10 and a 12 inch. I ain't sure, but it's somewhere around now. It still works, you know, I using it now, but I always wanted something bigger, so this is why I got me an 18-inch. ASMR. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna get straight into this video. Okay, so let me show y'all what comes with it first. So this came separate, so it did look like that or whatever, because the tripod came separate. So I'm gonna open up. So it looks like this. Okay. Almost similar to the tripod I have now. Is it? No, it's not. My lips dry, so excuse me. Let me make sure you could at least try to see everything. I hope I don't have to stand up for this. I don't want to stand up. So I open it and it looks like that. No, it's not similar to the one I have now. It's giving different. So yeah, I could put that on the side, and let's open up the box. And I had to open this. Okay. So it comes with a case. This is how the case looks. And we're gonna see what's inside. Okay. Y'all see how huge this is? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how huge this is, bro? Like, stop playing with me, okay? Like, that is huge. Baby. So we got some little extras. We're gonna see what's inside. I have three phone holders. I probably won't need all of these. Only one. It comes with a remote, giving very much Fire Stick remote vibes. And then it comes with the thing which you hook up, you plug into the wall. That. And that includes a everything. I put the ones that I don't need back into the thing, because I need all three. What I need all three for? Oh, I mean, I might, I don't know, but anyways, so this is the ring light itself. Okay, so as y'all can see the front, this is the on and off switch. You could turn it on, off, the little click sound. Ooh, and then this say 300K to 650K, and I guess you could change it to whichever one you want. What the hell is this? Yo, I have no idea. This thing didn't even come with like an instructions manual or nothing. I guess they're saying it's common sense, right? But that's something I really don't have. Anyways, we just gonna improvise and go along. So I have my tripod. Let me see if I could shorten this up. It's just going longer. Wow. I can't even shorten it so y'all could see. Anyways, y'all, I just glued it. Y'all get the picture. Y'all understand what's happening. So, I think you're supposed to... Hold on, y'all. Give me a minute. Let me figure this out. So, guys, I figured out how to do it. So, I think you're supposed to... This little screw thingy at the back. You put your tripod thingy, connect it like so, like that, and then hold on, wait, and then you screw it tight so that it doesn't move. It's not moving, y'all. Okay, so like that. It's giving. It's starting to give what needed to be gave, or what needed to be given. Right? I saying that right? But y'all, so I have the original, I'm gonna sit up higher and then so y'all can like really see what's going on. Sitting on the floor is not working, so I'm gonna get up higher so y'all can see what's going on. So y'all, I am higher and boom. Okay, so I have it on the floor. So it's on the floor, period. Next, I'm gonna open up my phone holder. Should I do all three? Just to like show you all of like the original. Yeah, I could do it. All three. So this is the first one. Number one. Number two. Number three. Even though I don't know what's the purpose of a three, but I guess people just need three, so. But I won't need three. I will need one. And that will be right in the middle. Like that. What I need this remote, I know you need batteries to work the remote. I don't think I have batteries. Hold on, let me see if I could find any. No, I can't find any, so whenever I get some, I'll just work it with the remote, but I don't think that it's necessary because there is a switch on the ring light itself. These things I was showing, I'll probably just work it from there. And whenever I get batteries, I will work with the remote. So we're gonna get to plugging this thing in. So this is how it looks. I think you're supposed to put it in the back. Hold on, let me bring it up. Yeah, so I think you're supposed to put it right there. So I'm gonna untie these things. This ring light just come and take up all my camera space. All. So y'all can barely see me. Hold on, before I get into this, let me show y'all. This thing comes with 2 USB. So can you charge your phone? Like, that would be really good if I could charge my phone, because I just record off my phone. So that would be really, really good if I could charge off my phone. What? If I could charge my phone while recording, like, that would be really, really good. But yeah, it comes with 2. Looks like I could be doing that because sometimes I just have to wait till my phone charge up to start recording. Or charge it in advance. But looks like I don't have to be doing that no more. Okay, hold on, y'all. So the blue light is on, period. I'm getting excited. And now for the grand. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Oh, my skin. Hold on. Hold on, let me show. So I have my regular ring light in the back of this ring light. I need to unscrew. Y'all, do y'all see that? I'm in love. I am literally in love with this ring light. So this is how big it is. Guys. Y'all, I am in love. So this is with 2 of my ring lights on. I'm gonna turn my 10-inch one off, and it's literally giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, like, it is giving. Okay, so the 300K is here, and the 650 is here, and then you could dim it. I'm gonna turn it all the way off because I don't have my outer ring light on. And then you could bring it up. This is definitely worth it, honey. Worth it. So let me move my... And this is how it looks. Definitely worth it, y'all. Definitely worth it. And that is the end of this unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed. I really want to show y'all how the whole thing look. Yeah, I want to show y'all how the whole thing look. But I think I still could. Wait. Hold on, y'all. Wait. So, this is how it looks. The tripod could go much more longer than it is now, but I only do it so y'all could see. But yeah, this is how it looks, and I am pleased. Okay, I am pleased. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. I might do a thumbnail, I don't know. But yeah, this is how it looks. And this is the back. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to all of that. Bye.